Want a budget you'll actually follow? The 50-30-20 rule gives you a simple target and faster progress towards savings and debt freedom. Budgeting works best when every dollar has a job. Rising prices and subscription creep make that harder, so structure matters. The 50-30-20 framework divides your after-tax income into 3 purposes: half for needs, under a third for wants, and the rest for saving and debt. It's a baseline, not a cage. You measure once a month and adjust with intent. Here's how it works in real life. Needs cover housing, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Wants are dining out, travel, upgrades, and non-essential subscriptions. Savings and debt includes your emergency fund, retirement accounts, extra payments to principal, and sinking funds for future big expenses. On a $4,000 after-tax month, the guidepost is $2,000 for needs, $1,200 for wants, and $800 for saving and debt. Those numbers tell you where you stand, without guesswork. Put it into motion with 3 habits. List your fixed bills and the last few months of variable spending to find your true baseline. Automate transfers on payday so saving and extra debt payments happen first. Review monthly to spot creep in wants and rebalance before it derails goals. Small boosts matter. Even 1% of income redirected to principal compounds progress over time. You can and should adapt. If rent or childcare pushes needs above 50%, shrink wants temporarily to keep saving on track. If you carry high interest balances, flip the split to something like 50-20-30, sending more to debt until it falls. With irregular income, build your plan on a 6 to 12-month average, fund a 1 to 2-month income buffer, and apply percentages every payday so contributions stay consistent even when paychecks vary. Why it matters now: higher yields on cash make emergency funds more rewarding, so topping up 3 to 6 months of essential expenses is a stronger play. At the same time, more recurring subscriptions can quietly turn wants into fixed-style costs, so audit them and cancel what no longer adds value. Common questions come up. Use after-tax income as your base. Count minimum payments as needs and any extra toward debt in the savings debt bucket. Couples can pool shared needs, set joint saving goals, and keep a modest personal wants allowance to reduce friction. Your takeaway: run your numbers, automate the 20%, trim wants until needs fit, and review once a month. Read the full article at finlitica.com.